Meet the Apulian Rhyton, a 2,300-year-old drinking vessel that transformed ancient parties into artistic experiences. Measuring just 8 by 4 inches, this terracotta masterpiece from southern Italy takes the form of a Laconian hound's head. Discovered in Puglia, Italy, this artifact showcases the profound Greek influence on what Romans called Magna Graecia, or Greater Greece. Crafted between 340 and 330 BC, this cup emerged during a flourishing period of cultural exchange between Greece and Italian settlements. Experts believe it came from the workshop of the Darius Painter, a master artisan whose distinctive style was celebrated throughout the region. Covered in black glaze except for strategic areas like the ears and nostrils, the cup demonstrates remarkable artistic precision. The upper bowl features a satyr, a mythological half-man, half-goat creature, holding a plate and staff surrounded by decorative patterns. The Laconian hound was no random choice. These Spartan hunting dogs were prized throughout the ancient Mediterranean for their exceptional abilities. Unlike conventional cups, Rhytons couldn't be set down while containing liquid, forcing drinkers to consume their contents in one continuous act. These vessels evolved from simpler Bronze Age drinking horns into elaborate status symbols and ceremonial implements. At Greek symposia, formal drinking parties, these vessels circulated among guests, combining practicality with theatrical presentation. Beyond social gatherings, Rhytons served ceremonial purposes, pouring ritual offerings of wine, oil, or blood during religious ceremonies. Dogs weren't the only animals immortalized in these drinking vessels. Artisans created Rhytons resembling horses, lions, rams, and even mythical creatures. The presence of this Greek-style artifact in Italy demonstrates the extensive cultural and artistic networks spanning the ancient Mediterranean. Local artisans adapted Greek artistic traditions, creating distinctive regional styles that blended multiple cultural influences. The satyr decoration links this vessel to Dionysus, god of wine and ecstasy, making it particularly appropriate for festive drinking occasions. Today, this remarkable artifact resides at the Getty Museum in Los Angeles, where visitors can appreciate its craftsmanship and historical significance. Archaeologists continue discovering similar artifacts throughout southern Italy, piecing together the complex cultural tapestry of ancient Mediterranean societies. The survival of this delicate terracotta piece for over 23 centuries is remarkable, speaking to both its initial quality and fortunate preservation conditions. Modern artisans recreate these vessels, preserving ancient techniques and connecting us to artistic traditions spanning millennia. From ancient Rhytons to today's specialized glassware, humans have consistently transformed drinking into aesthetic experiences worthy of artistic expression. Originally, this vessel would have featured even more vibrant colors and details, standing out dramatically at social gatherings. Each time liquid flowed from this vessel, it connected the physical act of drinking with cultural tradition, artistic expression, and religious symbolism. The Apulian Rhyton, not just an ancient cup, but a window into a sophisticated world where art elevated even the simplest human pleasures.